I would honestly go to say this week was one of my least favorite of the entire year. Yeah, that trade was almost as good as the one we're in right now. What's good, y'all? What's up? What's up? What's up? I'm going to be watching the soccer game, too, during the live. Was good, was good, was good. Yep, the 3-bar coming. I think so. I think so. End of week banger incoming. What's good, guys? End of week banger incoming. End of week nuclear trade. Let's get it, y'all. Come on now. How's everybody doing? Buddy is grinding balloon tower defense. Yeah. Yeah. Something like that. Something like that, baby. I'm watching Belgium and Spain, too. España. Noti gang, let's go. I've been trading since you left and I'm down $300. Come on, bro. Come on, strategy daddy. You need to be more like your Nas daddy and choose DOD. And we're watching, guys. I'm going to let everyone know that we're on for a power hour stream. What's good, guys? We need it today. Oh, that was great earlier. That final trade of the day. Oh, chef's kiss if you stuck around for that. I knew it was coming. I knew it was freaking coming. Oh, that was great. Just a great systematic trade. Who stuck around for that trade earlier? Anyone? You guys stick around for that fire trade earlier? We're also breaking out of this flag here, guys. The high of day. Look at that. Straight up flag break. That was a banger trade earlier. Oh, I was hyped, bro. I was so hyped earlier. That was great. I was so hyped earlier, bro. Literally, that trade we caught, just absolute money bags on that freaking retracement. We had this, it was right here, guys. If you're watching the screen share, we got the retest up here. Retest back down to like 965 area. Right in here. 965, 970 was the entry. Textbook move up. Literally textbook move up. You didn't lose your account on my trade. No. So if you guys missed that earlier, here's why. We had clear uptrend, right? Higher low, that whatever the heck that sweep was. Held these lows. clear. This is a telltale sign. Higher low here, close back above VWAP. All right, good to go. We're moving up. Same. Look at the rest of the week, guys. Look what happened the rest of the week. What did we do? V-shape up. Day before that, what did we do? V-shape up. What did we do before? V-shape up. This market must love some freaking Viagra because it just keeps going up. What does it do? Up here. Just dip up. Here, this was our last downtrend day, Thursday, July 2nd. So like 8 days ago, we finally had a downtrend day. From then on, it's just been up, 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 up. V's left and right. So we see that. Move up, move up, move up. We finally get the higher volume candle. We retest down into that 50% retracement. We retest into these previous highs here. Take the higher low. Boom. I want you guys to watch these setups and review them over and over so when they come, you have confidence in them. That's what I want for you guys. As a reminder for everyone just joining and for the algorithms, this live stream and everything I say on this live stream is not financial advice. This live is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please do not restrict me. Is this do I smell a 2-bar? This actually could be a decent retracement. 50 stops at like 30. If we're gonna continue up, it's a little riskier setup, but I could see it working out. Do I like Tradeify? Yep. As a reminder, guys, we're going to be releasing more info on my Disciplined Trader program for those of you that were looking for info on more small group classes and more individualized attention. You guys can get on that wait list if you'd like. Otherwise, nothing changes with my daily routine and what I do for y'all in premium or even the free live streams. Some people like more individualized attention and like more of my time. So if you'd like to join my Disciplined Trader waitlist, you can do that. If you don't want to, then you don't have to. If you want beginner course, I have that on my YouTube for free, Jdun Trades. QQQ. So if we're gonna bounce, I think it's right here. I want to get up my other levels too. Honestly, 3 trades already today. I'm not super inclined to rip anything else, but if it looks really good, I would. What are we riding here? What is that? Our 20 EMA? Yep. Just riding the 20. Riding the 20. So I would have rather seen this 2-bar go up and be higher actually, and then we come back and retest this previous high right here. That's my favorite time, is when you retest a key level or like a previous resistance turn support. That being said, it could work. I have not taken this. If I did take it, I will let you guys know. Yeah, it's not the greatest close either. All red candles within that 5-minute retracement down too. Yeah, I'm not really feeling it. I'm gonna wait. I feel like we're just gonna chop in here. We need some solid trend. I would rather see us close higher than retest this previous resistance turn support. Personally, that's what I would have rather seen. How was everyone's day? How'd you guys do today? How was everyone's morning? Need some Metallica. Gene, bro, for those of you who joined Asia last night, what the heck was that? What did I say right before I left? Literally right before I left, bro. What was I saying? Right freaking here. Oh, I think it's going to go up, but I got to go. Not going to take it. Just freaking face ripper. You kidding me? Literally Jdun think indicator again. Just go right on. But if I would have taken it, nope. Done for. Could have been better, but also wasn't bad. Nice. Passed a legacy and broke one. That's all right. Passed one, broke one. What's the best firm? It depends on what you're looking for. This week was honestly one of the tougher weeks I've seen in a while, and we still overall did very well. Past 2 days, catch, scratch, not great. But besides that, start of the week was fine. It was great. End of the week was great. Today was for the most part really good. Those first two trades were 25 points and then break even. Last trade ended up being really nice. Entry right here and just straight up. So it was, honestly, I've seen across the board. I don't like to say price is terrible. But because one man's trash, another man's treasure. But I've seen a lot of people that are like, yeah, this week wasn't it. He's cool. He's a cool guy, Sammy. I like that guy. If this is the worst trading week, then I look forward to what's to come. As this was my first premium week and I made money. Cha-ching. Yeah, honestly, like this was one of the worst trading weeks I've seen all year. As far as for how I like to trade, and we still managed pretty well. Just took some more patience. Like I know a lot of people don't have that patience to wait 3 hours, but like this is how price should act when it's trending. But in here, honestly, like that 1 week that I just did awful on like 3 months ago. Like look at the daily chart here. What are we seeing on the daily chart? What does this right here look like to you guys? A whole lot of barcoding, chopping. So when you have a daily chart looking like this, that's reflected in daily price action. A lot of it's very choppy. There's no real trend. So you're going to go through times like that where price is choppy. Your job is to survive. And even in the chop, we did pretty damn well. We did pretty damn well, even within all that chop BS. This 2-bar actually still might work out. We'll see. Found you about a week ago with an almost blown account. Week later, that account's green. Let's go. That makes me so happy, bro. That's awesome. Rock on to you, my brother. You are giving in bad habit. What are you talking about? You guys got to use English if you want to talk tea to me, man. What's good, guys? What up, what up, what up? Good evening, boss. This is the first time joining your live stream. Welcome, fam. Appreciate you being here. Power hour is usually slower. I'm not going to say it's rare. We take trades, but we take much less trades in power hour, which is right now 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern time, than we do during regular New York. I'm going to go turn on the Belgium game as well. Belgium and Spain. Who are we going for? I think we got to go for Belgium, guys. I got a Belgian Malinois dog. I think we got to go for Belgium. Sorry, guys. Think I got to go for Belgium. Let's go, Belgium. Let's go, the Belgians. Let's go, Belgium. Gene's going for Spain. Damn, everyone's going for Spain. I got a Belgian Malinois. I got to root for my dog's team. Got my first payout because of you today. Thanks, bro. $2,000 and a 50K Lucid Flex. Let's go. That's awesome, bro. Congratulations, man. I appreciate you guys rocking with me using code Jdun on your prop firm challenges and trading smart, trading safe. Spain versus France is the real final. Cap. I don't even think that can happen, can it? Don't Spain and France play next game in the semis if Spain wins? France will play Argentina in the finals. But that's not happening because Norway's going to beat Argentina. Norway's going to destroy England. I'm 3K away from passing the 250K Apex Legacy. Let's go. Let's go, Jay Mendoza. You guys got any plans this weekend? Anyone doing anything fun? Am I gonna watch the McGregor fight? Yes, probably. I gotta be up very early on Sunday. I have a busy day Sunday. I gotta go to Chicago for the day. This kid looks young. Going to Gala tonight, proceeds to prison ministry. That's awesome. Helping wife with her classroom. Power hour beat all chop. Honestly, sometimes. We'll see. Hey, Jdun, old Team Bull member. Just want to say thank you. Trading with you guys when I was 21, 25 now. That's awesome, Ozzy. Hopefully you're doing well. Hopefully you're doing great. Teach me how to make money. I got you, bro. Oh, I was so happy about how that trade turned out today. I needed that. We needed that as a fam. Jeez Louise. Need to freaking go and relax after this week. Got a nice workout at the gym. Sun's out, guns out, baby. Woo! I went and got a nice workout in today. Arm day, triceps and biceps. Just hammered them. And now, gonna get on, or I am on. Hopefully find a banger with y'all. And then relax the rest of the day. You're out. You're out. Don't leave. Don't leave. At least hit that follow button before you go. Come on. Join us every day. We'd love to have you as part of the family. I lost 15K in 6 months. I really need some direction. We'll come in, choose discipline every day, trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and that'll be a good start. I've been to the Bean before in Chicago. Who else got decimated by slippage on that news candle? Oh yeah, if you were in longs on that news candle, you probably got destroyed. I was so confused. I was watching price when that happened. And I was like, huh, there's something going on with Tradevate. Like I was like, what's going on with Tradevate? Nope, just enormous. Right back up. I never trade those news candles. Like, even if price is moving up or down, I never trade them, bro. It's way too risky. Even after trading those, I don't like putting on position. Trump tweeted something about the ceasefire being over. I was long on my live account. My stop slipped so bad. I bet it was probably horrible. If you were short when it happened, you got to feast. You got to absolutely feast, bro. Oh yeah, big time, big time. How old are you? I'm 29. You're close. You guys 27. I'm 29. Lost 1K. Yeah, honestly, if that was close to your planned stop, then that's good. With news candles like that, they happen once in a blue moon, guys. It just happens. What do I mean by news candle? The news candle earlier. Yep, I started trading 10 years ago when I was 19. Big 29. That candle passed the FFF account I won from you. That's awesome. Passing the funded accounts I give away. No one gives away more accounts. Nobody. Nobody. I was short, made 15K on eval. Yep. Now we just wait. We're very choppy right now, guys. Half of the battle, honestly, I'd say 3/4 of the battle of being a profitable trader is just waiting. If you develop the ability to just wait and stay patient and not blow yourself up, you're in the top 5% already. You develop an edge when you trade, only take A+ setups, and manage your risk on those. Now you're in the top 98%. And once you get to that top 98%, there's a very good chance that you stay or you become and remain profitable. That's the problem is people won't do it. I mean, even, my goodness, guys, look around in society. You know, we have a society addicted to shortcuts and addicted to dopamine and addicted to other destructive habits. You see the same thing in trading. But for you guys choosing DOD, trading smart, trading safe, and developing your discipline and not over trading and not falling victim to your bad habits, you're going to be on a much better path to making consistent money. Oh, Spain. Spain takes the lead. Spain takes the lead. Oh, come on, the Belgians. Come on, the Belgians. Spain takes the lead. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Spain said no stop loss. What am I trading? Nasdaqita. We got 30 more minutes of New York Open. This market's doing absolutely nothing, guys. Just chopping. Was good, guys. Hopefully everyone had a nice morning trading with you, boy. Discipline over dopamine. Yeah, this price is very annoying. This is just chopping here. This is disgusting. Don't. You're mad at Trump for blowing your accounts today. Please do give me the signal. Don't. As a reminder, if you guys want to get on the wait list for my upcoming Discipline Trader program, the link is in the announcements tab. It's for anyone who wants more 1v1 attention, small group setting, and wants to come learn and be a part of the group coaching calls, potentially get lifetime access to the community and more. You get your name on that wait list. I just posted in the announcements tab. Oh! Yep, it's going to be fire. Yep, join the wait list. Don't. I have like a 40-second delay on my football game. Yeah, literally YouTube TV is just slow. YouTube TV is slow. Did trade this morning. 3 for 3. 3 for 3. You gonna moon this or what? We'll see. Oh, snap. Oh. Hulu's slow too, yup. Super slow. I'm ready for a nice, relaxing weekend after this week of price action. I'm excited for this next trading week, guys. What is the best prop from why or why not? That's kind of a subjective question. So, for example, there's a few accounts that I really like. I love Tradeify. I love their 50K select accounts. I think they're great. Especially on the funded stage, those daily payouts are killer. I love, with FFF, specifically with the funded features family, their premier accounts are so good if you're not profitable with prop firms or if you're a beginner with prop firms, because their premier accounts have no consistency on eval or funded. They have no activation fees, they have no daily loss limits, and they have no minimum buffers. So it's a very lenient account with rules. I like that for new traders. And they're one-day pass evals. So I like those accounts a lot. That's with the funded futures family. You can use code Jdun for 40% off. Even one of those 50K premiers, it's less than $100, so good account to work with. The Tradeify Selects do, yep. The FFF premieres, once you're funded, are 5 days of 200 to pay out. You can withdraw half your money. So let's say you make $200 5 days in a row, $1,000, you can take out 500. No consistency rules either, which is pretty cool. If you guys want to check one of those accounts out and get it ready for Monday's trading day, you can do it here. Yep, Tradeify is great. I love those Lucid 50K Pros. Those are solid too. DCA, you ever do it? I only dollar cost average and average down if I plan on it prior. I also like, Alpha Futures has some cool accounts. They're fine. And then Apex, I like the 50K trade evates. If you become a liability for the firm, like every firm, they'll move you live. Best way to learn without buying a course, hit that follow button. Go to my YouTube, Jdun Trades. $0.00. Lots of value. Way more value than most paid courses. I'm so happy to see you online helping. I'm feeling desperate and you popped up. I got your back. Make sure you hit that follow button. Belgium's playing like the U.S. was. Can you imagine if the U.S. would have played Spain? Would have probably been like 10-0. Oh, the corner. The Belgians! The Belgians react! Nice job, the Belgians. Let's go. The Belgians. Yes, they heard me. They're like, yeah, you said what? Why am I not taking trades? Because DOD. Because the bird beak hasn't confirmed. We have a late afternoon bird beak attempting to form. He took a little bump here, but for the most part, we'll see how this reacts. He said, take that, baby. Yeah, Belgium needed that real bad. There's going to be times, this is why I always tell you guys not to oversize, right? If you were trading during that Trump news drop today, that's going to happen throughout your trading career. It doesn't happen often, but once in a blue moon, you see a really massive move like that, you always have to prepare for the worst. You always have to prepare for the worst. Every single trade. That's where DOD and risk management comes in. We got 15 more minutes today. Who all plans on being on time to trade with me on Monday morning? Who's going to be on time to trade with me on Monday morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern time? We're going to have a banger week next week, too. We're going to hit a banger on Monday. I can feel it. I just feel it, guys. I feel it in my bones. Yep, Sunday I'll be on for Sunday prep. No, I won't. No, I won't. Why won't I be there on Sunday prep? I take that back. I'll be in Chicago. I will not be on for Sunday prep this week. I will be in Chicago. Yep, I'll be in Chicago till like 10 p.m. So I'll be on Monday morning. I got to go visit to check some stuff out. What up? Why? I'm on stream. Just heads up, so I won't probably say too much. But you're good. No one can hear you. What up? That's funny. That's so funny. Nice. Yeah. That's pretty common. Anything over 10,000, they're usually pretty. Yeah. Well, thank you, bro. Sweet. I'll call you when I'm off this stream. Bet. All right, bro. Peace. At least you have an IQ. Yeah, I have 0 IQ. I'm the worst trader in the world. Don't listen to me. Let's go. We had a nice day trading today, folks. You love to see it. It finally, we waited. This is horrible right here. You can't do nothing with this. No, that's just what people come on the live and say, so I just go along with it. They're like, you suck. I'm like, yeah, I suck. They're like, yeah, and I'm like, yeah. And they have no clue what to say when I do that. Yeah. Can I go over the third trade? Absolutely, I can. So, we see price very choppy to start the day. That's where we get our 2 small wins, then stop outs. However, we see price hold this 15-minute low, aggressive move up. We then see us make a higher low here and close above VWAP. All signs that we want to move up, okay? We never know where price is going to go, but we do get clues, and it increases our probability when we get good clues. Price moves up, 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 but then what do you notice on this 5-minute chart that goes from here to here? You see us, we had MOC, that's why market's moving a lot. We go from here to here, we have a rising volume 5-minute aggressive candlestick near high a day. We also close above this previous resistance area around this 960, okay? You guys see that? So when we get that aggressive 5-minute close, that's where I want to look for the retest into this candle for a higher low. We try the longs in here. We put our stop loss below this candle around 940 just in case. And we want to see that rise up. And that's exactly what we do. So when price is trending how it should, this is how it works out. It was just a little trickier this week because price wasn't trending. We've been very choppy on the upper time frames, which translates and reflects what's happening in the lower time frames. Very simple strategy there. Damn, we hit 700K on TikTok today. How crazy is that, bro? A lot of people early on back in the day who have been OGs in Team Bull found me through TikTok. I never planned to be on social media. You got to realize I started trading. I've told this story many times. I learned how to trade to make money trading. I never planned on being a guru or any of that stuff. I was practically forced by my friends who I was teaching how to trade for free to start posting about trading. And TikTok blew up, I guess. People started finding it. I had a community called Mile High Trading. Some of you guys might remember that back in the day, which switched to Team Bull. And, you know, back in 2020, I started posting on TikTok, and it just blew up, I guess. I don't really know. And then fast forward, I'm freaking talking about BBCs and wearing bull masks on the live and hitting trades left and right. So Things have escalated quickly in the last few years, but that being said, I'm super thankful. I like getting on and streaming and helping you guys learn, level up, and win. Yeah, that's. I don't know how we went from introvert with no social media to whatever's going on in this picture. You know, something. So if you guys are on here, I appreciate all you guys being subbed to the YouTube as well. If you guys have been looking to get lifetime access to Team Bull or into my mentorship program, my Disciplined Trader program, another launch is coming in 10 days. So if you guys want to get on that wait list, you are welcome to do so. If you don't want to get on the wait list, then don't get on the wait list. I actually started watching Ross a long time ago. I used to trade penny stocks. He kills it. I mean, I've bought so many courses, bro. I've spent so much money. Most of the courses I bought have been garbage. Yeah, I started teaching my friends how to trade for free, and I was like, they saw me making good money. I didn't want to be on the streets, and so I was like, all right, I'll, learn this thing about trading, and fast forward, here we are. I plan on doing that this weekend. Yeah, penny stocks are interesting. Used to be thugging. Ross was my introduction to learning the chart so I could be prepared for Jdun streams. Oh yeah, I got to get us back where we're there we go. Yeah, we're kind of chopping. I mean, in these last like 10 minutes, it's kind of hit or miss. I'll have more FFF accounts on Tuesday. That's when they sponsor the streams. I appreciate you guys using code Jdun. In the meantime, the more you guys support me and support the streams, the more accounts they give us. You'll probably get mad as I tell everyone not to blow their accounts and give you guys good trading habits. Unlike a lot of these influencers are like, oh, go take 1 million trades a day and buy the biggest accounts and blah, 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 blah. Nope. I haven't really incorporated AI into my trading. It's not very good right now. That's wild. That was the computer I gave to Dumpster, actually. Fun fact. But J Bum, you never take a trade, yeah. My name is J Bum. My name is Gaydun, Gakub, J Dud. That's all my names. Please only call me that. $1.5K for a Zoom. I mean, I know people who pay $10,000 for an hour for a call, but not really in trading. It's more so in consulting. When can I drive your Lambo? Whenever. Come over. When do I throw the computer at the wall? Now. Just take it and launch it. That's a joke, by the way. Yep. The Discipline Trader program is just, it's 100% the bird beak. That's it. Yeah. No, I'm 29. I was born in 1997. Coming up on the dirty 30s next year. What is the cheapest account? The cheapest account right now in the entire funded space is probably the 25K FFF Velocity. It's $16 with no activation fee. So you can get into trading with $16. It's not easy by any means. Nope. FFF's cheaper. Their 25K velocities are $16 with no activation fee. Now, let me just say, it's not an easy account. $16. Yes. You can get 5 funded accounts if you can pass for a total of like 32, 74, 78, $88 for 5 accounts. It's crazy, but they're hard. Like, they're really, I mean, all fundeds are hard, but these are like really hard. But you think you can do it if you just go for base hits. They're cheap. You'll get paid out. You follow the rules, you will get paid out. Yep. Make sure you use code Jdun for that $16 account. All right, guys. I'm making it off for the day. It was a treacherous week, but we ended it on a solid note. I hope you guys all have a great weekend. I hope you choose DOD. I hope you guys do something positive for yourself and continue to trade smart, trade safe. Just over 3K. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. And if you guys want to follow along with me for the weekend, you can go follow my Instagram at Jdun Trades. I'll be posting on the story, and also my private personal Instagram if you want to see more of my boring discipline life and what I eat and more business stuff and discipline stuff and all the above. So that being said, my personal Instagram is Jdun. I also have a lot of good stuff on my YouTube. Here, you guys actually have homework. Let me say one more thing. You guys have homework. I just posted a new video on YouTube yesterday or 2 days ago. It's called I Wasted Years of Trading Until I Learned This. Your job is to go watch this through, hit that like button, and go watch it, all right? That's your homework. That's your homework, guys. God bless you guys. Trade smart, trade safe. I'll see you guys on Monday morning. I won't be live for Sunday prep. I'll be live Monday morning. I'll see you guys then. Have a great weekend, guys. Choose DOD. Keep your routine intact. Keep your sobriety intact. I'll see you guys later. Peace.